Hello and welcome back to Project 82. It's been a while, we are back. Got a little bit of an update on the Escort, not much. We've had so much going on. I've been busy with so many other things which I am excited to update you about in the future. But let's have a little look and show you what we've done, well, what we haven't done. So I'm spinning around now and we'll show you exactly what we've not been doing. So yeah, as you can see, it is exactly the same as it was, bar one or two little things. We've not really had time. Like I said, I've been super busy with other stuff, but the clutch and flywheel is now in place, which is a good thing. We've also had to do the release bearing on the gearbox. So now we have got to the point where obviously winter's here. We're so far behind on this that we've just gone, well, we can't put it back outside now. We might as well just start sanding it down and just paint it so that it's done. The original plan was to paint it, then we weren't going to paint it, but now we've just gone, well, do you know what, with the weather being like it is, we might as well just get it done. We have got a bit more of a deadline now than we had previously. There's so much going on, as I've said, that we actually need the space in here now, so we've got to get this done. Hopefully by the end of the week it will all be done. Obviously I can't guarantee that, but we've sort of given ourselves to the weekend. Today is now what, Tuesday, so we've given ourselves till like Sunday to get it all done. The only other thing we've done, as you can see, we've painted up a few of the parts just so when we put them back on they look a bit neater, a bit tidier, a bit fresher. We're waiting on a couple of parts to turn up. Like I said, yeah, just cleaned them up. Right, same as here, there. Yeah, we're waiting on a few parts now, and once they're here we can crack on. So this will all be buttoned up, tied back in together come the weekend. We can then lower it down rather than it sitting like that now, because we've also got to do both the seals. They are shot, basically, for want of another word. Obviously can't swear on YouTube, you get told off. So, but yeah, as you can see, all of this needs doing now, and that's both sides. Again, why we've got it in here, winter's hit us, because we're so far behind on this, so we thought, well, might as well just get on with it and do it now. Yeah, not great, but you know, it's our fault, no one else's. So yeah, that's that's the update. Like I said, we've not done much at all. There is various reasons for that, and like I said, it'll all be revealed in that upcoming video, but in the new year it's going to be mega exciting. So we've had all sorts going on. I've had various meetings with people about various things, maybe a collaboration or two. I'm keeping that under wraps for the time being, but it is exciting. But yeah, we need to get it done. We do still need a lot of the parts mentioned, like the interior door trims. I still need a driver's seat. Other than that, we've got most of what we need now. So again, I'm going to keep this short, but those of you that are still watching and the channel, thank you, I appreciate it. I am going to start doing a lot more, not just with what we're doing here, but the other things I've got coming up as well. My dad is just working constantly at the moment, bless him, trying to get as much done as he can, because he's also helping me do what I'm going to be doing in the new year. So again, we need the space for that, but I'm going to keep that under my hat for now. God, I need this at the moment. It's so cold here. Don't know about you guys, but other than that, I hope everyone's safe and well. Again, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, like, share, whatever. Just please help us get out there more. The more I can do, or the more likes and shares you lot and interaction that you guys have got, the more we can do. And I've got some massive plans for this channel. It's going to be insane, hopefully. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.